Hello everyone. So today we are going to look at how we need to field map from nCino fields to Salesforce fields. For example, if there are any standard fields which we wanted to refer in nCino, custom objects and standard objects, or any objects which you wanted to map the fields, then we can do it using field map in nCino. So let us look at the demonstration, how we are going to achieve this using a Copado Robotic Testing. Let me run this particular piece of code. Let me turn on the live testing. Live testing is done. Let me run the selected code. First, it will log into Salesforce and it will launch navigate user to home page, Salesforce home page. Yeah, from on the more, it will go to the more and then click on it, and then it will select the field map. This is the field map layout. This is where where we can map the fields, like originating object to target object. We'll map the fields. So once we save it, whenever we use this particular field on the target object, this field now refers to this particular originating object. Thank you for watching the demo.